If your building could be losing heat right now without you even seeing it, tiny gaps, invisible leaks, constant energy loss, and that could mean failing building regulations. Hey, if you're constructing a new home or a residential development in the UK, air tightness testing is not optional. It's a legal requirement. But what exactly is it? And why does it matter so much? What is air tightness testing? Air tightness testing measures how much uncontrolled air leaks out of a building. Modern buildings are designed to be energy efficient, but small gaps around windows, doors, and construction joints can allow warm air to escape and cold air to enter. This affects energy bills and comfort and overall performance. The result is measured as air permeability, and it must meet strict standards under Part L of the building regulations. How does it work? Once construction is complete, a specialist carries out a blower door test. A powerful fan is installed in an external doorway, pulling air out of the building to create pressure. This allows testers to measure how quickly air leaks back in. Through hidden gaps, the lower the leakage, the better the performance. If the building fails, ceiling improvements are required, causing delays and extra costs. How Zevlo supports your project at Zevlo. We help you prepare for air tightness testing from the very beginning. We review your design, identify leakage risks, and guide you on construction detailing. Our goal is simple: pass first time, avoid delays, and achieve smooth compliance. Final thoughts. Air tightness is not just about regulations, it's about efficiency, comfort, and long-term performance. Handled correctly, it protects your building and reduces future energy costs. If your project requires air tightness testing, make sure it's done right the first time. At Zevlo.com, we help you achieve compliance without unnecessary delays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.